Hello, viewers. Today we are going to explain and try to understand exercise number 4A of syllabus D1, 7th edition. So the book is new syllabus D1, and exercise number is 4A, and it is page number. It is page number 90. Okay, this exercise we are going to do today. Now, this exercise is related with algebra and algebraic expressions. And in question number 1, write down an algebraic expression for each of the following. So we have to write down algebraic expression for each of the following statements. This is the question. The first statement is add 5y to the product of A and B. Now in this question we are going to write an algebraic expression for the following for this given statement. Okay, so let's see what the statement says. Statement says that 5y should be added to product of A and B. So first see what is product of A and B. Product of A and B is A multiplied by B. This is product of A and B. Okay, and 5y will be added in it. Okay, so this will become AB plus 5y. This is the required statement. Which was asked in the question. Okay, so add 5y to the product of A and B. Okay, now second statement, B, subtract 3 from the cube of f. Now, first thing he says, we have to subtract 3 from the cube of f. So, cube of f is f cube. And when you are subtracting 3, it means you have to write minus over here and then 3. This is the required algebraic statement. Now, in the C part, there is another statement given. They say multiply A by 6 cube. Multiply A by 6q. Now they say we have to multiply k with 6q. Okay, so k will be written here, multiply, and 6q will be written here. Okay, so when you multiply this, you will get 6kq. This is going to be your answer. Right? Now there is a language for there is a particular language of every field. In algebra we write in expression form. The language is called expressions, and this is the word statement given, and according to these word statements we have made algebraic expressions. Okay, the D part says divide 2w by 3xy. We have to divide 2w by 3xy. So 2w will be divided by 3xy. So we will have to write 2w first, and 3xy later. Then 2w upon 3xy will be its answer. Okay, so this divide sign means a line. Okay, so this divide sign will be converted into a line, and 2w upon 3xy is its answer. Now what about E part? E part says subtract 4 times the positive square root of c from twice of x. Now see, this is 4 times the positive square of z from twice of x. So we have to subtract 4 times positive square root of z from twice x. So this words which are after from, they will be taken first in the algebraic expression. So twice of x means 2x. Okay, and then because it is being subtracted, we will write minus 4 times the positive square root of z. So we will write 4 here and square root of z. This is going to be your answer. Okay, right? Aksha. It is E part. If it is 4 times, so you will have 2, and positive square root of it is twice, then it is 2x. Okay. Now let's see what is in the book. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of from thrice of x. So here instead of 2 they are giving thrice. If thrice is given, it means you have to write 3 here. Okay, this is part E. Subtract 4 times the positive square root of z from thrice of x. So thrice of x